And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. After fake embassy, now fake Thana. Fake Thana in Delhi's doorstep. Fake cops extorted, used fake Interpol logo. Fakery mastermind, a former TMC leader. 6-member Bengal gang ran sham global Thana. Rerun of sham embassy in Delhi NCR. The great Indian fake surge. So after there was a fake embassy, now there's a fake Thana that has come to the fore. This fake Thana is located in Delhi's doorstep. The fake cops in this Thana extorted and used a fake Interpol logo. Fakery mastermind is none other than a former TMC leader. 6-member Bengal gang ran this sham global Thana. This is a rerun of sham embassy in Delhi NCR. So this breaking news coming to the fore from Delhi NCR, particularly from Noida. After fake embassy, now there's a fake Thana. This fake Thana is in Delhi's doorstep in Noida. Fake cops over here extorted and used fake Interpol logo. And the fakery mastermind is a former TMC leader. 6-member Bengal gang ran sham global Thana. My colleague Arvind Ojha is now joining us with more details on this. Arvind, और क्या जानकारी मिल रही है? पहले एक फेक एम्बेसी देखी गई थी और अब एक फेक थाना का भी मामला सामने आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल, और ये इसमें बड़ा खुलासा हुआ है। ये जो फेक पुलिस स्टेशन चलाया जा रहा था, इंटरनेशनल पुलिस स्टेशन, इसका जो मास्टरमाइंड है वो तृणमूल कांग्रेस का फॉर्मर ब्लॉक प्रमुख है पश्चिम बंगाल वीरभूमि से, और इसके खिलाफ ईडी और सीबीआई ने रेड भी की थी। टीचर स्कैम में भी इसका नाम सामने आया था, जो पश्चिम बंगाल में टीचर स्कैम हुआ था। तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा खुलासा किया है पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कि जो विभाष चंद अधिकारी, जो पश्चिम बंगाल का तृणमूल कांग्रेस का पूर्व ब्लॉक प्रमुख था, वो ये फेक इंटरनेशनल पुलिस स्टेशन चला रहा था। उसको इंट्रोगेट कर रही है नोएडा पुलिस। अब बहुत मुमकिन है कि सेंट्रल एजेंसीज भी इससे पूछताछ करेंगी। जो विभाष चंद अधिकारी है वो तृणमूल कांग्रेस का पूर्व ब्लॉक प्रमुख है, और पश्चिम बंगाल में भी इसके खिलाफ कई मामले दर्ज है। इसके और इसके बेटे के खिलाफ जो सोर्सेज है वो बताते हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल में इसका बेटा अपनी गाड़ियों में इंटरपोल का फेक स्टिकर लगाकर घूमता था, और वहां पर भी लोगों को फेक सम्मन भेजकर उनसे पैसे एक्सटॉर्ट करता था। 2023 में इसके खिलाफ ईडी और सीबीआई ने रेड की थी, और तब इसका नाम सुर्खियों में आया था। उसके बाद ये नोएडा आ गया, और 6 लोगों के साथ मिलकर इसने नोएडा के सेक्टर 70 में एक फेक पुलिस स्टेशन इंटरपोल का वो खोला हुआ था और लोगों को चीट कर रहा था। तो ये खुलासा नोएडा पुलिस ने किया है। सेंट्रल एजेंसी भी इससे पूछताछ करेंगी। जी
अरविंद हमारे साथ बने रहिए, एंड माय कॉलीग राजेश साहा इज ऑल्सो जॉइनिंग अस विद मोर डिटेल्स ऑन दिस. राजेश, a fake police station case has come to the fore from Delhi NCR, and the mastermind of this fakery is a former TMC leader.
Anjali, not only in Delhi, he had opened another office in Kolkata also, and that office has been found yesterday by local police station. Kolkata police have found a flat. He rented 2 flats in Kolkata few months back to open the same office styled as International Police and Crime Investigation Bureau. And when he was trying to open that office in Kolkata's Belaghat area, that time local police, which is Belaghat police station, got sources information that one NGO is trying to their office at Belaghat area, and the signboard was, they were putting a signboard on the same office styled as International Police and Cyber Crime Investigation Bureau. And after getting the information, local police summoned all the officials of that so-called NGO to their police station, and they were investigated thoroughly. Then police informed them they can't run any NGO where they can use the word police, because this is not legal, this is not authorized. So they were asked by local police to remove the signboard from their particular office, and following which the local police removed their signboard from the office in Belaghat area in Kolkata on 30th July. That is the version of Kolkata police. After removing the signboard, they were asked to remove all the office equipments from the same place where they were trying to run the office. And Kolkata police is claiming that following which they couldn't run the office, they left from the office. But locals are claiming that they've seen Vibhas Adhikari at the same place few days back. He was seen in in a private vehicle with the blue beacon light on the above of his vehicle with 4 armed security. Now the question is being raised that where he got that security personnel, because private security anybody can get, but the private security person doesn't have any arms. So where and how he got the security? That is the first question. And second question is being raised that why Kolkata police just let them go? Why Kolkata police didn't investigate the matter thoroughly? Anjali.